Hi everyone, and welcome back to Beverly Stunning Creations. In today's DIY, I'll teach you how to make these stunning display risers / candle holders. They'll definitely come in handy this holiday season. They can be used to showcase some of your favorite decor pieces, use them in a tablescape, or simply use them as candle holders. I would also temporarily glue a plate to it and use it as a serving dish. Also, if you're new to my channel, I would like to invite you to take a look around, and if you like what you see, then please subscribe. Alright guys, now on to the DIY. Alright, so I'm starting out with 2 of these round foam pieces from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use some of this silver acrylic paint to paint the edges of both pieces. I painted both pieces the same way and then let them dry. I checked the paint on both pieces to make sure that it was dry, and then I moved on to the next step. I have 3 of the Dollar Tree 5-inch round mirrors, so I'm going to remove the labels and the feet from all 3. I glued a mirror to both sides of the first one, and then one mirror to the second one. Make sure that the mirrors are even with the foam before the glue sets up. Now I'll set these aside and let the glue set up. In this next clip, I have a little bit of lost footage, and that is of me gluing this crystal knob onto the top of this candle holder. And if you need to see that done, I'll leave a link below to where I used it in a different video. So now I'm going to glue this other candle holder on top of the knob as well. And you want to use a really strong glue for this, so you'll be sure to have a really strong hold. I would not recommend using the Dollar Tree Fix-All. After I placed the second candle holder on top of the knob, I made sure that it was level and then put it aside to dry. Okay, back to my foam and mirror pieces. This piece will be on the bottom. So what I'm going to do now is decorate the sides of them, and I'll be using this mirror towel. Initially I was going to use the Dollar Tree diamond wrap, but I changed my mind and went with the mirror instead. Mirror towels come with an adhesive backing, but it's really not that strong, so I added some additional adhesive to make sure that it stays permanently. I'll continue to add the mirror towels, making sure that they're on evenly. I'll finish the rest off camera and then come back. Okay, so now I'm back to the candle holders. Both pieces have completely glued to the knob. Now I'll decorate the top of both candle holders with strips of the mirror towel. If you don't have mirror towels, you can also use bling wrap, beads, or whatever you have in mind, or nothing at all. I didn't add any additional adhesive this time because the adhesive on the back of the mirrors stick really well to glass. I'll add mirror towels to the second candle holder off camera and then come back. And I'm really happy with how that looks, but I do want to add a little detail around the bottom and the top of my crystal knob. So I'm going to use this rhinestone chain that I had on hand and just decorate the top and the bottom of the knob. So I measured and cut the chain and used some of the Dollar Tree Fix-All to glue the chain on because the chain is really lightweight. You can also use some of the Dollar Tree diamond wrap in this step as well. I'm done gluing on both pieces of the chain. My next step is to glue this on top of the base. The one with the double mirrors will go on top like this. And again, I'll be using a really strong adhesive to glue these pieces together. I spread a generous amount of glue on the candle holder and then flipped it over and glued it to the base of my riser. I made sure that my candle holders and mirrors were cleaned before moving on to this step. I centered the candle holders on the base, added more glue, and then attached the top piece. I then made sure that the top piece was centered, applied pressure to make sure that it had a really good connection, and then let it dry. Okay guys, so my piece is completely dry and I want to give it a more finished look. So I'm going to trace the base onto this felt and then cut the shape out and glue it on with some hot glue. Alright, so here's my completed riser / candle holder. This is a beautiful glam piece that can be used throughout the holiday season for home or event decor. And it's a really nice gift idea, so keep that in mind. So now I'll re-clean the mirrors, put this on display so you can see what they look like, and then return some love to you guys by showing a few of my subscriber shout outs. Okay everyone, this completes my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on Thursday.